All right, so here we got a little bit of video talking about area and volume. We know the area of a rectangle is length times width. A prism is just made of a quadrilateral, but three-dimensional. So if the bottom is a rectangle, we know to find the volume of this prism, we have to cover the area of the bottom first, which is length times width. And then after you cover the area of the bottom, let's say if we cover that surface with water, once it covers it with water, it's going to then fill up height. So volume is equal to length times width times height. We found the area of the base, and then the water fills up. Here we have a circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. Well, a cylinder is made up of a base shape of a circle, and then after you cover that with water, the water is going to fill upward. So we cover the area of the circle, pi r squared, and then it's going to move up. We have to multiply times height. Same thing as these quarters. The area of one of these quarters, well, if we then stack it up, if we wanted to find the volume, we would have to find the area of one of the quarters and then multiply. How you doing? Multiply by how many quarters we have, or area of one of those quarters, and find the height. That's, in a nutshell, how we've the understanding of the formulas of cylinder, with the base being the area of a circle, and a prism, quadrilateral. If it was a square, it would just be side times side.